Hello guys and welcome back for another tutorial. Today I will show you how to make money on Triaba by filling out surveys. So for this tutorial you will need to visit the Triaba website on Google and preferably be in the US because it's the service that pay the most. For my example here, I am using a VPN, even though I don't advise you to do that, but you can use a VPN. I'm using Urban Proxy VPN. You can just download it on the Google Chrome Web Store and then choose USA. Then here you will have to click on Join Now. So you have to know that each survey pays 50 cents to 550. So here for this form, you'll just have to fill it out with your informations. Okay, so now once you have registered, you'll have to enter your password here and then click on Log In. Of course, you'll receive an email, so let's just open up the email. And here you will have this activate your account button. So click on it once to activate it. Now you will have many forms that will load. So here you can take the surveys depending on the cost. So for example, here the survey duration is 22 minutes and it pays $3.25. So let's click on this one, for example. And then here you will have to fill out the survey. It's about the supplier router screener, I guess. So yeah, you'll just wait a few moments for the survey to load, and then you will have to fill it out. Here, for example, this survey is not, I'm not qualified for it apparently, so I just can click on yes for the new survey offer. And yeah, that's it basically. You'll just need to enter a survey and then fill it out. After that, you will have the rewards section here, and in the rewards you'll have the possibility to buy gift cards from Amazon, PlayStation Store, the Nintendo eShop, etc. So yeah, that's it guys. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe if it helped you.